Hey everyone, Pat Blake here, the Backyard Rink Nut with another quick tip for you. So I left both my nets on all day and I put a puck right in the middle of the net just to give you an idea of what will happen if you leave anything on your ice when it's a nice sunny day, and you'll see how it's been melting in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the nets on top of the boards. I've got a cross piece that's going to go attached between two of my supports for my netting at either end of the ice, and I can hook the nets onto that and keeps them up and out of the way, and they're always ready to go. All right, let's have a look. Okay, so here's one of the posts where the net's been sitting for the day, pretty much sitting in the sun most of the day, and I can move it out of the way here and you'll have a good idea of how it's been melting. So I'm trying to push it out to the side. It's not going anywhere. It's actually melted this groove right into the ice, and that's why you want to keep your nets off the ice. Okay, so here's how I'm going to install the bracket to hold the net up off the ice. So I've just got a couple clamps that I'm going to use to temporarily hold the brace up before I can get it screwed in. The crossbar, bottom of the crossbar for the net is approximately 4 feet high, so I've got a 4-foot level there. Just put the clamps on, lay the board up on top of the clamps, and then screw it in on both sides. 2 screws on each side, nothing fancy. Sometimes the hook just needs a bit of an adjustment. It gets bent out of shape in the shed, and then the net is ready to be hung up. Okay, so there you have it. The installation is complete. The net is up off the ice, doesn't have to sit in the snow, and it's ready to go next time we're going to play hockey. The one thing that is a bit of a downside with this, 2 things really. One is that the kids can't grab the net themselves. They need me to come out and get it for them, which is not so much of a big deal, but one more step for me to do. The other one is if it's going to rain or freezing rain, that's the one time I will pull the nets off of this support and put them back in the snow, because as it's raining or freezing raining, everything's going to drip off the net, and it's going to leave either holes or bumps in the ice depending on what it's doing, and in the end it just means that it takes more time to get the ice back to a skatable surface. So if the weather's bad, it comes off. Other than that, if it's snowing, it can stay up there, it's no problem. Nice sunny day like today, great spot for it, up out of the way, and it's not melting into the ice. So if you like this kind of stuff, please hit the bell for notifications, subscribe, and there's lots more tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks very much. Talk to you soon.